So I had the misfortune of leaving my window open. And they're mowing outside. And as you might be able to tell, that kind of got my nose crazy. Oh God. I fell asleep. And when I woke up, my nose was just tickling like crazy. Gonna sneeze. So, I thought I would record just a little bit to let you guys hear what happens to people with allergies in the Midwest in the middle of spring. Oh gosh. Oh, it's so tickly. Oh my goodness. I do not know when the sneezes are gonna stop.